Morning, class. Today, your target is that when you leave class, you should be able to evaluate an expression using the STOW function of the TI-Nspire calculator. But first, we're going to review what you already know about evaluating by hand. It says we evaluate expressions with variables by substituting the variable with the number given. The numbers used for substitution are called the replacement set. What that means is you're no longer going to have that variable. You're going to replace the variable with the numerical value. Rewrite the whole problem with the number instead of the variable. As I just said, the variable's now gone and you have the numbers. Use parentheses around the number plugged in to help you organize. That helps you to see, okay, this is the number I'm substituting. This number wasn't there originally. I took a variable out and put a number there. Be sure to use the correct order of operations. Now, that's what you already know. But we decided, okay, it might be a little easier or a little quicker or eliminate errors if you're able to use your graphing calculator. Looking at the first example, it wants you to give the value of this expression when x equals -5. So in our calculators, remember that we can always go home. So we go home and we get a new document. If it asks you to save, we never ever save. Then we add a calculator page. On that calculator page, the first thing we need to put in is -5, then control var. The control button on your calculator is orange, which means it activates everything written in orange letters. So here you can see the STOW function, and we're storing it to X and press enter. So it gives you that same number back. That's the calculator verifying that it has stored -5 for X. So you no longer use X as X, but you use X as the value of -5. Then we look at our problem and we type it in exactly the way we see it. 3x squared minus 5. So I'm going to type in 3x squared minus 5 and enter, and it gives me 70. Now, if we had done it by hand, it would have been 3, open parentheses, -5, move out of the parentheses, squared, minus 5, and you would have gotten the exact same answer of 70. I hope that helped. Have a great day.